I pretended to be rich. For one day, I once told my coworkers I had a financial advisor. I don't, but I said it confidently. The next day, people treated me differently. Suddenly, I was getting compliments. One coworker said, "Wow, you seem very put together lately." So I committed to the bit. I started saying things like, "I'm just diversifying my assets. I don't own assets." I brought lunch in a brown paper bag and told everyone it was artisanal. They nodded like that made sense. By the end of the week, someone asked me for investment advice. I told them, "Never trust a guy who pretends to be rich at work." They laughed, but they still listened. I quit the act after 5 days, but for one beautiful week, I was the most respected broke person in the office.